Welcome to InstantSalesFunnels.com and my free video. It's called Free Sales Funnel Tool for Beginners. No experience, no budget, no problem. What I'm going to go over in this video is my site I just created. This tool took me a month. It was a pain in the butt, but I finally got it worked out, all the kinks, and it's working great. And I'm sharing that with you right now, how you can use it. You can create your own affiliate emails or emails in general. Throw them in your autoresponder, and these are going to be professional prompts. So they're not just regular prompts. I got them coded for, to get the best possible output possible for promoting affiliate products. So that's what this is going to do. And I'm going to show you how to use this tool. It is free. Come on over and check it out. In step 2 here, what you're going to do is you're going to enter your affiliate program details below. Click the button, and then you're going to see your output. And the output's going to come right underneath here. And copy and paste it, throw it in your autoresponder, GetResponse, ClickFunnels, Aweber, whoever you're using, and make some money from your affiliate marketing promotions. So what we're going to do here, I'm going to show you how to use it, obviously. We're going to go over to ClickBank, and I'm going to pick a random product, and I'm going to show you how to use it here. We're on the top. Okay, we're over at ClickBank here. We're on one of the top offers page. We're going to go to Provident. It's a new doctor-endorsed dental offer. It says it's got $4 plus earnings per click. And we're going to click Promote right here. Put in your nickname. We're going to click Continue. It's going to generate our affiliate link. We're going to copy it. Exit out of there. We're going to go back over to InstantSalesFunnels.com. Plug the affiliate link in there. And I want to know a little bit more about this product because I have not promoted this before. I know it's a dental offer, but I want to know a little bit more about it so I can type a couple details inside the details box so we can get the great email out of it. Discover oral health benefits like never before. And it shows you all the ingredients. And we're going to see Adam Naturals Provident your path to optimal dental health. So we can just write something general on this just to give you an idea how this works. I am promoting Provident, a ClickBank product. Top selling ClickBank offer for dental health. And we're going to add one more sentence and then to see what it comes up with here. Where are we at here? Right here. And we're just going to put this in here. Come back over. I went over strong flow for health and strong flow. And you got 150 character max, so you can get the best possible output. So we want to keep this. And potent, fast-acting formula for prostate health. And we'll just put flow here because I want a couple characters over. And we can put email goal to effectively. Obviously, you want to sell this. Sell Provident. And you can put whatever you want, obviously, in these boxes. And it's already generating it right there, as you can see. And it's got subject. You can see right underneath here, it says AI. The secret to prostate health you can't afford to ignore. Dear friend, let me tell you a story that could change your life. Imagine waking up every morning feeling energized, confident, and ready to tackle the day. You jump out of bed, no longer feeling the weight of discomfort weighing you down. You stride into the bathroom, and for the first time in a long time, you're not dreading that trip to the bathroom. Now let's rewind the clock a bit. Picture yourself a few months back. You're tossing and turning. So it's giving you a story about prostate health, which is really cool. So it's going to kind of take your potential customer. Everybody loves stories. That's how you make a lot of sales. People love to read stories, whether it's on a YouTube video, whether it's in a book, a movie, and it puts Prostaviv inside the story. So it relates to how the product is helping this particular in this story, which is good for selling things. And then your links right here, as you can see, it's inserted. And all you got to do, so it's a nice long email. It's got a subject, and it's a long email, so that's good, but not too long. And you can trim it to your liking if you want. All you got to do is copy it. Bam, you're done. Take this over to your autoresponder, plug it in, and you're good. If you want to do more than one, come back over and make another version of it. But it's coming out really good storytelling type emails, promoting whatever affiliate product that it is you're going to promote. I use ClickBank as an example. You can use Amazon. Share a sale. There's literally hundreds of affiliate networks out there or products to promote where this will be useful for you. If you come on over and go into step 1 here, I'm actually giving access to a 7-day email prompt that I created, absolutely free. It'll create all 7 days emails for you. You can check that out. It's an awesome prompt. I'm going to give you a link to that. And I'm also going to give you a link to another free tool I created called the Headline Generator. What it's going to do is it's going to even make better. It creates headlines for blog posts and emails, so both of them. So what you can do is come on over and you enter your details very quick, and it's going to give you the 10 best blog posts and email subject line headlines, and then it's going to narrow it down to the top 3, and then it's going to pick a winner for you. So you can save some time in creating great headlines as well. So I'm going to give both those away for you for free. Just put your name and email in, tell me where to send them, and I'll send it right over to you ASAP. But this tool took me like a month to create. It was a pain in the butt, but I finally got it figured out because this coding's not my thing, so I had to learn a lot to get this put together. But hope you guys enjoy it. Really useful tool, so come on over and check it out and use it. It is free, so link's going to be directly below at instantsalesfunnels.com. And come on over and use it. Let me know what you think. I'd love your comments below. Let me know what you think about it and how the emails are coming out that when you do create emails with this tool. Let me know what you think. I'd like some input on it as well. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. Appreciate it.